morning, folks. It is May 11th, I believe, maybe the 12th. It's Wednesday. I'm gonna show you the job site here that we've prepped and gotten all ready. We're gonna pour a little concrete today. So we're pouring a concrete pad for a prefabricated shed to sit on. So we have arranged this so it's about an inch above the lawn height once the concrete is poured, and we'll grade up to this when we're done. We had to build this wall. As you can see, this yard is considerably sloped, and there was a big water issue here. As we dug down, our hole filled in with water, and I wish our base course was about 6 inches lower than it is, but there was just too much water. We ended up filling it with large stone, field stone, using road fabric and lots of geogrid behind it. So my guys just built this wall to hold the bank back from the back of the shed. So we've got about 5 feet between the shed and this wall, and they wanted to hang kayaks and things on the back side of their shed, so that's how we oriented it, and also to stay within code of being 6 feet from the neighbor's property. So once we get this wall capped, we'll backfill behind there. We'll grade up to this concrete pad that we're pouring 5 inches thick. You see we've got plastic down and wire mesh all ready for our concrete, and we've put conduit in the ground, sticking in back there. That conduit will be on the back side of our shed when we're done. And then they can enter the shed from the back, put a small panel in there, and have power. Okay. Grab those chutes. That all you want me to take? You happy right there? Where you want it? On the other side?
You ready?
Yep.
Let's screed a little bit.
Yep.
He can rake. Yep.
Can I come back here real quick, Andy?
Yep.
I'm a little high here.
Ready?
Yep.
Nice little pour, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited to pour a bunch of concrete.
Look at this, you got a free laborer.
That's what I'm talking about. Pick it up, let them rake it out. Yep. Pick it up. Yep.
Oh, you're only gonna need
Yep.
just a little bit.
It's gonna be damn close. Probably clean your chute off, Chris, and we're good. Am I close enough? I hope that's enough. Good. It's probably enough, Jake, yeah? I'll just leave it in there for now, till you're ready. You take this? Yep. Perfect. Put some handles on that bull float, all three of them, and just bull float it.
All right.
Get a good feel for it. Huh?
The opposite, like go this way, like the opposite way.
You're gonna go both ways before you're done, so it doesn't matter which way you start. And you'll feel the more it's up, the harder it digs in.
So kind of try to keep that
Yeah,
hook
just
off
you'll
the
figure it out. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get going. cars in the back of my truck. 2 of them, a 6 and a 4 footer. See any pieces that need to get hit again?
I think maybe.
I tried to make them all small.
I think we're alright.
We can handle all that, right?
Yeah.
Everything's broke enough?
Where are we putting it? There?
No, we're gonna take to the water tower in a dump truck. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow while Ryan's finishing that wall.
I'm glad it wasn't bonded to the block.
Me too. I don't think it bonds to that stuff. I really don't. I haven't seen it yet. Unless there's a nook or cranny it gets in. You know?
The only spot it was bonded to was at Van Slikes. And I think that's because it went under it.
Yup. Alright, well I guess I'll take this off so I can clean up concrete tomorrow. I'll set it on these stones out of the way. Looks good.
Should be good.
Come in.